Hello, boys and girls. Today, you are going to be doing two things for science for your biome spheres. You'll need two different pages of your circles to be able to work on today. So let me tell you the two different things that you are going to do. So the first one is you're going to look in the research in the live binder, and you're going to try to find research about where your particular biome is located in this world. There's going to be a map in the that is in your research folder, or that the teachers will give you today, and you'll have kind of a smaller version of a world map. And you're going to take the map that you find in your research materials for your particular biome, and you're going to translate that onto your map by using colored pencils to be able to showcase where your biome regions are found in the world. There's usually not just in one location, and I want you to try your best to try and make it really represent where it's located on the map, kind of get some geography in there of where particular regions are located. And when you're done with that, if you'll just keep it until tomorrow, I'll show you what I want you to do with that when I get back. All right. And then the second thing I want you to do when you're done with that is, hopefully you'll have enough time to do both in class. If not, I'll help you, give you some time to finish up tomorrow. But I want you to identify the climate of your biome. And if you remember from when we did our weather wheels, climate is not the weather. Climate is the weather over a period of time. So including temperature, precipitation, things like amount of rainfall, whether it's a hot, dry climate. So in your live binder, underneath your biome, you're going to find lots of information for you to research. Remember that you're in 5th grade now, and research doesn't just jump off the page and bite you on the end of the nose. You may have to do a little bit of digging for it. There's not a tab that says, look in this tab for how to find the climate. You have to actually look for it. That's what research really is. And so make sure that you find out what the climate is. Then take one of your pages and you're going to write climate at the top of it somewhere. Make sure you spell it right. Come on. It's right there in your Google Classroom, how to spell it right. And then I want you to creatively show me the climate. You could draw me some pictures, you could write it, but you need to know that the expectation for this project is for it to be neat and to be quality work. So when we were doing our stretch books, we were working on researching and determining importance. We're still focusing on that. This quarter, we're working on quality of work. So I need to see quality. It needs to look nice for the readers and the people who are going to be looking at it. And it needs to be your very, very best handwriting, very best effort. If it's not, then when I come back, I'm going to look at it. I'm going to ask you to fix it so that you are showcasing the best of you as a learner in everything that we do. So those are the two things you're going to do today. You're going to create a map using your colored pencils to show us where your biome is located in the world. Then also, and you're going to do it as neatly as possible so that it looks like a professional map. And then the second thing you're going to do is you're going to look up the climate of your region and then creatively display it on your circle. And the more color that you have on these, and not just a design, but color that is meaningful to the topic, then the cooler this looks. And you're welcome to color even on these spaces right here. All right. So I can't wait to see what you have done when I get back tomorrow. And the next couple of days, we are going to be working on animals and plants, which is kind of a fun part of our biome spheres. So I hope you have fun. See you tomorrow.